foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for any appetizer recipe, and this is the recipe, you might give it a try. So this is called shrimp and cheese wontons. I have also shared my cheese wonton recipe, something different, something unique, and it's a great party appetizer or just for our snack purposes. You can enjoy that with any dipping sauce, or you can make any sauce as per your liking. So let's see what are the ingredients for this shrimp and cheese wontons. Here are my shrimps. I have my frozen pack of shrimps. I just cut it in a tiny bit pieces and added some carrot, cabbage, and scallion chops right here, and of course salt, pepper, and the chili garlic sauce, this one, and just saute it first and then add it in the cream cheese. So I had my leftover cream cheese, just simple plain cream cheese, and I have added that shrimp mixture. Just give that a good mix. And basically this is a spicy version of wontons, so if your kids do not enjoy, you can just simply add pepper, salt, sugar, and cream cheese. That could be the stuffing. But if you like spicy food, any flavors you like, then you can simply get this done. And shape of wontons can be any shape, but this time, just to differentiate, I'm going to just make a triangle and save my time. Alright, so it's a good mix. Now get your wonton wrapper. Same process. Just add a spoonful. Since our shrimps are cooked, we do not have to worry about it. Add some water on the edges. And simply join the edges and make the triangle shape. Make sure the stuffing is inside. Alright, simple, nice and easy, just a triangular shape wontons. Here you go. So let me make all of them and then we will fry them. To fry them, easy peasy. Let's do that. So here you go. These are my shrimp and cheese wontons. And simply get any ketchup or any dipping sauce as per your liking. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and enjoy this appetizer during any Chinese dish you make, and during any party time. It's just something special. So thank you for watching, thank you for visiting Foodland, and I'll see you next time. Bye.